To create a YouTube channel in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to click on your channel. Here you can see that you have to click on your channel, and when you click on your channel, this window appears, and you have to fill your channel name. Let's see, I create this channel name, and then you have to click on the create channel. And now when you click on the create channel, then here you can see the this window appears, and here you can edit your channel. You can choose your cover photo of your YouTube channel by clicking on this camera like button, and then you can choose from your photos. And let's see, I choose uh, I choose this photo, and then click on the select, and then click on the save, and then that and you can add a description by clicking on this pen button, and then you can add it. You can also change the name of the button by clicking on this pen button, and then you can click on the OK. And in the after the clicking on the back, you can also edit the channel name. You can also edit the and if you want to and how to upload the video, then you have to click on the create, and then you have to click the upload a video, and then you can choose any of the file that you want. Let's say I choose this file, and then you have to click on the next, and then after clicking on the next, you can add a title, and then you can also add the description, and then you can choose the public or the private, and then you can also add the playlist. And after then you can click on the next, and then you can also choose not no, it's not made for kids, and then you can age restriction, you can also click on the no, and then you can upload it. So that's it, and that how you can create a channel, and then how you can upload a video. So if you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day. Let me know in the comments. Have a good day.